Hey, welcome to yet another video on the 818 IT channel. My name is Savio, and today we're going to review the Western Digital solid state drive. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The WD, it's blue. They call it the blue solid state drive, and it's a 500 gigabyte solid state drive SSD. And these 500 gigabyte solid state drives or the 1 terabyte solid state drives are perfect, absolutely perfect if you want to upgrade your computer from a hard disk drive to an SSD. So this one is a 2.5-inch 500 gigabyte solid state drive. So let's do the unboxing, and this is strictly an unboxing video. There you go, just taking off this wrapping, and of course, I'm sure you guys have no patience to watch me unbox it, but hey, it's all part of the beauty of buying a brand new gadget, right? You look forward to the unboxing, and of course, as you guys can see, there's absolutely everything. This just comes in this little enclosure that has nothing hidden inside or stuck inside, which is something I like. I don't like stuff as soon as you buy it and then you open the box and things are like hanging out here and there. So this comes in a beautiful enclosure. If you watched my other video, there was another one I just unboxed, a crucial 1 terabyte, 1000 gigabyte if you want to call it that, SSD. So click on this link, or this link, wherever I'm pointing. Okay, it might appear here, it might appear here as well. If you want to watch that video, it's Crucial, a different brand, and this one is a Western Digital blue. That's the model, I guess you want to call it. Yeah, it's a Western Digital 3D NAND. If you guys are interested in this, and I've tried Western Digital as well, great disk drives. So that's what it looks like, and it comes with a, it says remove before installing. I wonder why they say that, remove before installing. I mean, isn't it obvious you gotta remove it before installing? But nevertheless, you gotta pay attention to what the manufacturer says. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, just that. I'm gonna remove before installing. Alright, okay, so just have to peel this off where the connections are, the connectors are. I'm gonna peel that one off, and let's see how this one is presented to us. So this one looks like it's presented, and maybe we just have to like pop it out from this casing like so. Okay, I'm just pressing from underneath and it comes out easily. I just love this. Look at that. Look at the beauty of that. Look at the beauty of this solid state drive. Storage glory, on all its storage glory, as I want to say. Okay, and then it has, it just tells you, the model number, 500 gigabytes, how much you, a whole bunch of numbers and serial codes and all that stuff and all the fun stuff. Comes with an installation, how to install, or maybe a warranty. Something I never really read, so I'm just gonna take that off from here, and I'm gonna put that aside, and that's pretty much it. Unboxing of the Western Digital 500 gigabyte solid state drive, and I'm sure it's gonna give me years and years of fantastic read-write speed, and it's just going to be amazing. So I love this little product. It feels very light as well. It feels like feels like I'm holding this. Yeah, and actually this feels a little heavier than this. Does that? How is that even possible? Well, I'm actually wrong. This is heavier. Okay, but it's really light. That's why I want to stress that how light it is, and these are so much better than those old hard disk drives that we had to lug around. It was big, and gone are the days where hard disk drives captured the market, failed, crashed, whatever you want to call it, crashed and burned or whatever. But these are here to stay, and this is today's technology. You want a faster computer, you want to have your old computer performing fast, this is what you need. You need a solid state drive, and just top up your RAM as well. Okay, don't forget about your RAM. This is not going to just work wonders. You also need to make sure that you have a computer with a good GPU, built in, and with some good RAM. Even if it's 64 gigabytes of RAM, go for it, along with this, and check out the difference. It's going to be amazing. Alright guys, I don't want to take more time on this video. It's just a simple unboxing, but stick around for more videos, IT videos, to specify, because this is an IT channel. It's 818 IT. If you haven't subscribed us yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because there are tons and tons of fun videos coming up, okay? And these videos are not boring IT videos. They're going to be fun videos. Until next time, you take care, and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.